Day 11. We're over a third of the way through the month already. Alright, let's see. Number 11 right here. Sorry. The bash of the microphone. That looks interesting. I'm assuming that's like supposed to be a train, perhaps? Yeah, it's got to be a train. Alright, let's go and build it. It's really interesting. When I was investigating, trying to figure out what yesterday's thing was, I was doing some Googling, looking at some blogs, other LEGO reviewers, seeing what they had to say about it, and it's really interesting. The reviewers have also been kind of ticked off at the lame days, and when there was I think it was either the gas lamp or the football soccer arena thing, whatever the heck it was. They were like, yeah, they're starting to redeem themselves now. All right, so we've got a couple of these camera bits, and ooh, I'm not too sure how well this is going to show on camera, especially with the blue background, but that's a very nice dark blue-gray brick. I've never seen that color in LEGO before. I'm rather fond of it, though. Okay, so we'll start with the back car. Okay, apparently they face like this, and we have to put some of these gray studs on the four nubbins on the outside. And then we're going to take this clear 1x2 plate and put it there. And then this smooth 1x2 orange plate. And there's the back car. I'm assuming it's got to be a train. That's nothing else it could be. Anyway. Alright, now we'll do the front car, or the engine. And do the same thing. I'm going to take the four little gray bits, stick them there. Looks like we've got this dark blue 1x2 plate like that. And the smooth orange 1x1 goes there. And then this little arched curvy bit, I don't know what the official name for those are, goes there. And then we need to stack two of these 1x1 blue plates, like so. Then we're going to stick the little angled brick there, and then that is going to go right onto the front like so, and that clips on like that. And there we have it. That's got to be a train. I can't think of anything else that would be. So, there we have it. That's day 11. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. If you'd like to learn a little bit about what this is, click right here. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to help support the other things I do on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.